Hey there, friend! Have you ever seen a sparkle storm before? It's an incredible sight to behold. But have you ever asked yourself, why do sparkle storms happen? First, let me explain what a sparkle storm is. It's just like a regular storm, but instead of rain and thunder, it's full of sparkling lights and colors that light up the sky. Sparkle storms usually happen at night and are caused by a combination of factors. One factor is the amount of moisture in the air. When the air is humid, it's more likely to create sparkles as the light reflects and refracts through tiny water droplets. Another factor is the temperature. Cold temperatures can create a static charge in the air which can cause individual particles to become charged and thus results in a spark. But the most important factor in creating a sparkle storm is electricity. Without electricity, there would be no sparkles. When lightning strikes during a thunderstorm, it creates an electrical charge in the air. This charge can then interact with other nearby charges, causing more sparks and creating the beautiful display we call a sparkle storm. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about those times when there isn't any lightning or thunder around, and yet we still see sparkle storms? Well, my friend, that's where things get interesting. Sometimes, sparkle storms can happen completely on their own, with no apparent explanation. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly why this happens, but some think it could be related to solar activity or even cosmic rays from outer space. So there you have it, the answer to the question, why do sparkle storms happen? It's all about humidity, temperature, and electricity. And sometimes, it's just a mystery of nature. Next time you see a sparkle storm, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of our natural world. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one to solve the mystery of why they happen.